Ever needed to insert a math equation in Word Mobile, but couldn't find the option? Here's the quickest way to do it. First, open the Word app on your phone. Next, create a new document, or open an existing one where you want to add the equation. After that, go to the Insert tab. Scroll down until you find the Equation option. Then tap on it. Now, simply type your mathematical equation or formula. Once you're done, press Enter. And that's it! Your equation will be inserted into the document, making it perfect for school assignments, reports, research papers, or any document that requires mathematical expressions. Pretty easy, right? Now you can add professional-looking equations directly from your phone without needing a computer. And here's a question for you. Did you know Word Mobile had this feature? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful mobile tips.